Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we have completed the theoretical portion of chapter number 4, that is file and folders in Windows 7. Okay, so we have already completed with the practical portion. So in today's session I am going to start with the back exercise of chapter number 4. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 40. Okay, so I am just writing the topic here, that is chapter number 4, files and folders in window, files and folder in window 7. So this is the topic that we were doing. Okay, so this was the topic. So as you know that we have done with the theoretical portion. So from page number 40 I am starting with the back exercise. So first of all we will do the self-evaluation. So basically self-evaluation should be done by yourself only. Self-evaluation जो बेटा होती है जो चैप्टर्स के पीछे दी होती है, so that is just a recall कि आपने पूरे चैप्टर में जो जो पढ़ा है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर रिकॉलिंग कि आपने क्या क्या टॉपिक्स इसमें कवर किए हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स रीड द पॉइंट्स दैट इज गिवन इन द सेल्फ इवेल्युएशन. द फर्स्ट वन इज, I know that the work done on a computer is stored in the form of a file. ओके, तो कहते हैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पॉइंट है कि हम कंप्यूटर में जो भी काम करें, सो वॉट एवर वर्क वी डू ऑन we done on the computer is stored in the form of a file. वो एक फाइल की फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है. So is it true? Yes. So whatever work we done on a computer is stored in the form of a file. Yes, this is true and we agree with the statement. Second is, I know that a group of files stored under a common name is called a folder. ओके, जब एक कॉमन नेम से ग्रुप ऑफ फाइल्स, ओके, तो बहुत सारी फाइल्स को हम एक कॉमन नेम, मतलब छोटी छोटी फाइल्स हैं, सपोज आपके पास UT1 के आपने अपने सारे एग्जाम पेपर सेव करके रखे हैं, इन सारी फाइल्स को यू हैव स्टोर्ड इन अ बिग फोल्डर. ओके, सो और उस फोल्डर का आपने नाम क्या दे दिया, आंसर शीट्स ऑफ यूनिट टेस्ट 1. So this is the same here. I know that a group of files stored under a common name is called a folder. So is it true? Yes, this is definitely true. Next, I know that a personal folder is used to store the files created by us. जो कहते हैं एक पर्सनल फोल्डर है वो किस लिए यूज होता है, सो दैट वी कैन स्टोर द फाइल्स दैट आर क्रिएटेड बाय अस. जो हमने फाइल स्टोर क्रिएट की हैं, सो वी कैन store those files, so that's why we create a personal folder. Yes, this is also true. Okay, so I know that a personal folder is used to store the files created by us. तो हम अपना एक पर्सनल फोल्डर बनाते हैं where we store all the files that are created by us. So whether it's a picture, whether it's a document, whether it's a text document, whether it's a PowerPoint presentation, or whether it's anything. It can be anything. So anything that we create, okay, we store it in the form of a personal folder. Next, I know that a personal folder is, okay, so this is we have done, sorry. The next is, I know that the Windows Explorer is vertically divided into two panes, that is left and the right pane. तो जो Windows Explorer है वो basically two panes में divided होता है, left and right pane. Yes, तो जो हमारे Windows हैं, okay, वो two panes में divided होती है, left and right. This is also done. Next, I fully know that the selected text appears to be highlighted on the screen. ओके, जब भी हम कोई टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, नॉट ओनली टेक्स्ट, जब हम कोई फाइल या फोल्डर या कुछ भी सिलेक्ट करते हैं, सो एकदम से वो हाईलाइट हो जाता है फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट और द फोल्डर. सो वेन एवर वी सिलेक्ट a file, a folder on a text, इट गेट्स हाईलाइटेड. तो उसके आपने ऊपर देखा होगा, उसके ऊपर एक ब्लू कलर की लाइन या फोल्डर या फाइल सेलेक्ट की है, सो दैट विल बी हाईलाइटेड विद अ ब्लू आउटलाइनिंग. सो दैट इज नोन एज हाईलाइटिंग. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाईलाइटिंग. ओके, सो हेयर इट इज गिवन. सो इन्होंने क्या बोला है? आई फुली नो दैट द सिलेक्टेड फॉर टेक्स्ट अपीयर्स टू बी हाईलाइटेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो इज इट ट्रू? येस, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. Next is, I know that copy means creating the same file or folder to a new location without removing it. Okay, वो कहते हैं मैं जानता हूँ कि फाइल कॉपी करने का मतलब क्या होता है. तो means creating the same file or folder to a new location without removing it from its original location. So this is also true. This is I also agree with this. कि जब हम किसी भी फाइल या फोल्डर को कॉपी करते हैं, सो वेन एवर वी कॉपी अ फाइल और अ फोल्डर, सो वी क्रिएट अ कॉपी ऑफ इट. हम उसकी एक कॉपी क्रिएट करते हैं. सो वेन एवर, okay, so what is given here? I know that copy means creating the same file or folder to a new location. तो copy means हमें उसी चीज़ को सेम एज इट इज़ उसी की एक कॉपी बना के हम एक अलग जगह पे सेव कर देते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज कॉपिंग अ फाइल और अ फोल्डर. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कॉपी करना. ठीक है, तो कॉपी मीन्स दैट डजंट मीन कि हम जहाँ पे वो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे जहाँ वो स्टोर थी वहाँ से उसको उठा के कहीं और ले जाएं. नो, सो दैट मीन्स उसी की सेम डुप्लीकेट. सो वी आर क्रिएटिंग द डुप्लीकेट. जैसे कि हम जेरोक्स कॉपी, सो एज वी हम अपने काम के लिए जेरोक्स निकलवाते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट copying means to create a copy, to create a duplicate of that same file or folder at different location without removing it from its original position. Next, I know that move means removing the file or folder from its original location and placing it to a new location. तो वो क्या कह रहे हैं? सो I know that move means removing the file or folder from its original location. ओके, मूव मीन्स कि उसको वहाँ से जहाँ पे वो ऑलरेडी वो फाइल या फोल्डर सेव है उसको वहाँ से हटा के एक नई लोकेशन पे लेके जाना. सो दैट इज बेसिकली नोन एज मूविंग. और यू कैन कट. सो दैट मीन्स, सो दैट्स वाई वी यूज द ऑप्शन कट एंड पेस्ट. ओके, मूव एंड कट करना मीन्स कि उसको ओरिजिनल लोकेशन से हटा के किसी और लोकेशन पे सेव करना. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कट और दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मूविंग अ फाइल और अ फोल्डर. नेक्स्ट, I fully know that the deleted files move to the recycle bin. Yes, we agree with this one as well. तो कहते हैं जैसे हम कोई फाइल या फोल्डर या एनीथिंग, इफ़ वी डिलीट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम आवर computer or the desktops, everything gets stored in the recycle bin for a certain period of time, that is maximum 30 days. Okay, so whenever you delete anything from the desktop or the laptop, from the memory of your computer, so it gets deleted from the its original position and gets stored in the recycle bin. So recycle is just like a dustbin of your computer where all the deleted files are stored, and they are stored for limited period. Okay, that is just for 30 days. अगर आपने suppose आफ्टर डिलीटिंग द फाइल दैट यू वांटेड, आपने एक फाइल डिलीट की एंड आफ्टर 10 days यू रिकॉल दैट वो फाइल मैंने गलती से डिलीट कर दी थी. सो यू कैन फाइंड दैट फाइल फ्रॉम द रिसाइकिल बिन अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू हैव नॉट डिलीटेड फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल. अगर आपने कोई भी फाइल अपनी डिलीट की तो वो रिसाइकिल बिन में स्टोर होती है. बट अगर आपने अपना रिसाइकिल बिन से भी उस फाइल को क्लियर कर दिया है, आपने अपना रिसाइकिल बिन एम्प्टी कर दिया है, सो दैट मीन्स यू कैन नेवर गेट दैट फाइल अगेन. So that means that is completely, or you can say that file is totally पूरी तरह से that is deleted from your folder, from your laptop or the desktop, and you can't get it again. Okay, so this is meant. Okay, so whenever you delete a file from a recycle bin as well, or in other words you can say कि अगर आप अपना recycle bin खाली कर देते हो, so you will not be able to get it back. Clear? चलिए, so this is the this was just the self evaluation. After self evaluation we will start with the exercises. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise. Okay, so I'm starting with the exercise again. चलिए, so exercise is here. Take the correct answer. Okay, that is take the correct answer. So we are going to do that. We are going to start with the MCQs. Okay, तो हम सबसे पहले टिक दी करेक्ट आंसर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So here the answer for the certain, there are certain options for a sentence is given and you have to choose the correct one from there. So the first is the document you create is called. So जब हम कोई भी document create करते हैं, so what we call it? We call it a folder, file or text. So when we create a document, we call it as a file. So when we create a document, we call that we have created a file. देखिए फाइल क्रिएट किया, हम टेक्स्ट क्रिएट नहीं करते, तो टेक्स्ट हम टाइप करते हैं. ओके, हम डॉक्यूमेंट इज ऑलवेज अ फाइल. ओके, फोल्डर होता है जिसके अंदर सारे डॉक्यूमेंट सेव करते हैं, जिसके अंदर सारी फाइल्स को स्टोर करते हैं अंडर अ कॉमन नेम. ओके, सो वी ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ फाइल. So here the first one is the document you create is called the document you create is the document you create is called, the answer is option number 2, that is file. So whatever document we create, it is called a file. So the answer for the first one is option number 2, that is file. Moving next to the B one. The B is, it is just like a file cabinet in an office. It is just like a file cabinet in an office. So what is it? It's a folder, cupboard or file. तो जैसे कि हम अपने we are having cabinets in our homes as well, not I'm talking about the office. तो हमारे घर में हमारे we are having cabinets. ओके, सो जब हम वो सारी फाइल्स को एक जगह इकट्ठा स्टोर करते हैं, so we always store those files in a folder. Okay, so this folder means एक कॉमन नेम के अंदर हम सारी अपनी जो फाइल्स हैं एक जैसी इनको स्टोर कर देते. जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दी थी. आई हैव गिवन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दैट सपोज यू हैव स्टोर्ड ऑल योर आंसर शीट्स ऑफ यूनिट टेस्ट 1. Okay, scanned copies of your unit test 1 in under a common folder. So that means you are storing all your files that are of same nature under a common folder. So just like that, we always in our homes, what we do, we always we have particular cabinets or we have particular cupboards or the drawers in which we store all the similar items, like especially for the undergarments and for the socks and for the hankies, we have the common drawer. तो हमारे घर में एक ड्रॉर होता है, एक कैबिनेट होता है जिसमें अपने सारे ये सॉक्स एंड ये जो हमारे एसेसरीज हैं, वी ऑलवेज कीप इट देयर. तो ये तो नहीं एक अलमीरा में दूसरी अलमीरा में, नो. सो वी व्हाट वी डू, वी ऑलवेज पुट ऑल द कॉमन things like the socks, like the undergarments, like the hankies, like the socks in a common drawer. Okay, so just like that we arrange the files in the offices in a cabinet. तो देखिए ऑफिस में भी क्या होता है, हम जो कॉमन नेचर की फाइल्स होती है या जो फाइल्स होती हैं, वी ऑलवेज स्टोर देम इन अ कैबिनेट. सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट, ओके, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इट इज जस्ट लाइक फाइल कैबिनेट इन एन ऑफिस. सो वी कॉल इट इन द कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज व्हेन वी स्टोर ऑल दी फाइल्स ऑफ सिमिलर नेचर अंडर द सेम कॉमन हेडिंग, that is known as a folder. So when we save all the files that of similar nature, okay, under a common place, in a common place, that is known as a folder. So here it is given, it is just like a file cabinet in an office. It is just like, it is just like a file cabinet. It is just like a file cabinet just like a file cabinet in an office. So what we call it? We call it as folder. That is option number 1. We call it as folder, Folder. We call it as folder. So this is the answer for the first to tick the correct option. The document you create is called a file, and it is just like a file cabinet in an office that we call a folder in the computer. Moving next to the third one. Okay. So moving to the third one, that is the C. Selected files appears dash on your screen. So whenever we select a file, so how it appears? Highlighted, flashing or colorful. So जब भी हम कोई फाइल फोल्डर या टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, so how it looks like? It's highlighted with a blue outlining. Okay, तो लाइट ब्लू कलर की एक आउटलाइन उसकी हाईलाइट हो जाती है वो. So it is given selected files appears dash on your screen, that is known as highlighted. So whenever we select a file, folder or text, it gets highlighted on this computer monitor or the screen. The C1 is selected files appear, selected files appear, selected files appear dash on your screen, dash on your screen, full stop. The answer is option number 1, highlighted. Answer number 1, that is highlighted, HIGHLIGHTED, that is highlighted. The selected files appear highlighted on your screen. Moving next to the D1, changing the name of a file and folder. So whenever we change the name of the file and folder, what we call it? So जब हम किसी फाइल और फोल्डर को नाम चेंज करते, सो व्हाट वी कॉल, सो व्हेनेवर वी चेंज द नेम ऑफ अ फाइल एंड फोल्डर, दैट इज नोन एज रीनेमिंग. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर वी चेंज द नेम ऑफ अ फाइल और फोल्डर, दैट इज नोन एज रीनेमिंग. तो हम किसी को रीनेम करें, उसका नाम चेंज कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो सिलेक्ट चेंजिंग द नेम ऑफ फाइल एंड फोल्डर इज नोन एज renaming, that is option number 1. तो लिखिए D1, changing the name of changing the name of changing the name of a file or folder is of a file or folder. Changing the name of a file or folder is known as renaming. That is option number 1. That is known as renaming. RENAMING. That is known as renaming. This is the answer for the C and the D1. The C is selected files appear dash on your screen, that is highlighted on your screen. Changing the name of a file or folder is known as renaming the file and folder. So this is the C and the D1. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the E1. So we are moving to the E. The fifth one is deleted files goes into music folder, recycle bin or trash. So whenever we delete a file or folder from the computer or the desktop, so where it goes? So it gets stored in our recycle bin. Okay, so as I have already told you, recycle bin is known as the dustbin of the computer, where you will get all the trash. Okay, and once the file is deleted from the recycle bin as well, you can never get it back. Okay, so that means it is permanently deleted. So here deleted files goes into recycle bin, that is option number 2. लिखिए, the DE1 is deleted files, deleted files goes into deleted files goes into, that is option number 2, that is recycle bin. Deleted file goes into recycle bin. Deleted files goes into recycle bin. Okay. Now this was the last one. Now moving next to the fill in the blanks. So now we will move to the fill ups. Okay, that is fill in the blanks. The next is fill in the blanks. So now we have to find the suitable answers from the given fill-ups. The first is, a computer represents file as an dash. So जब भी हम कोई file create करते हैं, so whenever we create a file, okay, so how it represented? It represent it in a form of a icon. वो एक icon. Suppose आपने word की file create की है, so वो एक icon बना देगा word का like this. Okay, so वैसे ही, okay, so whenever we create a file, or the computer represents it in a form of an icon. तो लिखिए, the A1 is, a computer represents file as an represents file as an icon. Computer represents a file as an icon. ICON. Okay, so a computer represents file as an icon. ICON, icon. So a computer represents file as an icon. Moving next to the B1. The B is, a folder inside a folder is called. जब हम एक folder के अंदर folder बनाते हैं, so what we call it? A folder inside a folder is called subfolder. A folder inside a folder is called subfolder. A folder inside a folder inside a folder inside a folder is called subfolder. A folder inside a folder is called subfolder. Clear? So एक folder के अंदर जो folder हम बनाते हैं, that is known as subfolder. So this is the answer for the first and the second one. A computer represents files as an icon. A folder inside a folder is called subfolder. चलिए, moving next to the C1. Moving to the C1. The C is, Windows Explorer is divided into dash panes. So Windows Explorer कितने panes में divided? It is divided into 2 panes, the left pane and the right pane. Okay, so लिखिए Windows Explorer, Windows Explorer, Windows Explorer is divided. Windows Explorer is divided into dash panes. So Windows Explorer is divided into 2 panes, the left and the right one. तो लिखिए 2 panes, TWO, that is 2. So Windows Explorer is divided into 2 panes, the left pane and the right pane. Okay. Moving next to the D1. The D is shortcut command to copy a file is called. So for copying a file or a folder, so what shortcut we use? So first of all, अगर हमें कोई भी फाइल फोल्डर को कॉपी करना है तो द शॉर्टकट कमांड इज Ctrl+C. So before applying this shortcut, first of all you have to select that particular file and folder. पहले आपको select करना होगा वो, and then you have to press Ctrl and C together on your keyboard, and then this is how you can copy a file or a folder. So this is the shortcut key for copying a file. Okay, so लिखिए shortcut command to copy a file, shortcut command to copy a file is Ctrl+C. CTRL, Ctrl+C. So shortcut command to copy a file is Ctrl+C. Okay, so this is the answer for the D1. Ctrl+C. So for copying a file, you have to select the file, then you have to press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and this is how you can copy a file. So the C1 is Windows Explorer is divided into 2 panes, whereas the D1 is shortcut command to copy a file is Ctrl+C. Moving next to the E1. Now we are moving to the E1. The E1 is the file or folder you delete is stored in. So whenever we delete a file or a folder, so जब भी हम कोई file या folder delete करते हैं तो वो कहाँ store होता है? So that gets stored in the recycle bin. Okay, तो लिखिए the file or folder, the file or folder, the file or folder you delete is the file or folder you delete is stored in So whenever we delete a file or folder, it's stored in recycle bin. It gets stored in recycle bin. Okay. So the file or folder you delete is stored in recycle bin. Okay, so and if you have deleted that particular file or folder from the recycle bin as well, then you will not be able to get it back. So once it is deleted from there as well, so that means that file or folder is permanently deleted. So the E1 is the file or folder you delete is stored in recycle bin. Okay. So this was the E1, and with this I'm just ending this session as well, beta. So first the two things that you have to do is you have to revise this self-evaluation. So by revising this self-evaluation, you can recall all the points that you have done in the chapter as well. Okay, so this was from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.